Hello, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and welcome back to the channel again. And today we are going to talk about a problem with Verizon. So the Verizon 5G home internet is not working and we're gonna fix it. So if you're also facing something like that, then this video is for you. So let's start the video without any delay. So there can be many reasons why the Verizon home internet is not working, and the most common is the connectivity. So make sure that your Verizon router must have a proper internet connection. The second reason may be the firmware updates. So make sure that your router's firmware is up to date. You can easily check and install firmware updates directly from the website. Also cross check whether your device is working on another network properly or not. If this not work, then simply reset your router, and for that simply unplug the router, wait for 3 to 12 seconds, now plug it back and your issue will be resolved. This helps to resolve temporary glitches and also restore the functions. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.